back. We are on episode number 27 and I'm your host, Laura Mullinax. Today we are going to be making a no-bake protein pumpkin peanut butter cornflake cluster. This one is exciting, easy to make, and I am sure you're going to love. We're going to start with our saucepan. We've got this set on low heat, and we're going to take 2/3 cup of pumpkin puree. Put down in our saucepan. Then we're going to take 1 1/4 cups of peanut butter. Get this out here. I'm going to fill up 1 cup and then a quarter of a cup. All right. Next, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of coconut oil. I've got the squeezable coconut oil here. One tablespoon of maple extract. Then add in 1 scoop of vanilla get lean protein for women. And finally, we're going to mix in our cornflakes. So, almost a whole box of cornflakes. And then start mixing. And now that we have our cornflakes pretty much covered up in our pumpkin peanut butter mixture, we're going to take a lined sheet and we're going to make little clusters out of them and then let them cool, and then they'll be good to go. Okay, we're going to let these sit for 20 minutes and then we're going to give it a try. It's been 20 minutes. These things are ready to go. They've cooled off. Let's get them put on a plate. So delicious smelling and looking. Got that peanut butter and the pumpkin, the cornflakes, and the protein powder. This is the test. I'm going to try a piece of it. That is really, really good. You guys are going to love this recipe. Make sure you give it a try. Before you go, don't forget to go ahead and get your free copy of the Pumpkin Protein Cookbook. Go to glamourbodyfitness.com/pumpkin cookbook. From there, all you have to do is just enter in your email address and I will send it to you as fast as I can. It's going to include all 30 recipes that we are doing over the course of November. Also, if you're interested in getting the Glamour Body Fitness Get Lean protein that we're using in the recipes, you can go to glamourbodyfitness.com/protein where you can order your own personal bag of vanilla Get Lean. Now in the Pumpkin Protein Cookbook, I'm just using vanilla in all of the recipes, but we also have chocolate available. So if you want to order an extra bag, you can do that and get yourself some chocolate too. So that link again is glamourbodyfitness.com/protein.